In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of your iPhone screen not sleeping or turning off. First, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down until you find an option labeled Display and Brightness. Tap on it. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this menu. Here, you will see an option called Always on Display. Tap on it. You'll notice two key toggles here. The first one is for Show Wallpaper, which when turned off will only display time, date, and notifications when your screen is locked. Alternatively, if you want to completely disable the Always On feature, this could be crucial for fixing your problem. Toggle off Always On Display. This action will ensure that your iPhone sleeps properly when not in use. Once these changes are made, test it out. Lock your phone by pressing the side button. Your screen should now turn off as expected. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.